Hey guys, it's Eddie from WTI, and today I want to share with you a cover that protects my iPhone 13 Pro Max right here. So a couple of features about this cell phone case that I love is the fact that it actually protects your phone from falls. As you can tell, on each corner of the cell phone case, it's a bit raised and it's built to absorb shocks in case that you drop your phone. And believe it or not, I have actually dropped my phone a couple of times. So this case has actually protected it quite well. Another thing that I appreciate is the fact that it's also raised around where the camera goes. So if you lay the phone on a tabletop, your camera will be protected. Also, this is scratch resistant. So if you rub it against anything, it's not gonna scratch it. And the design looks gorgeous. I love the colors on it. So let me show you what it looks like when you put it on. Got my phone. All you're gonna do is snap it just like that into place, and your cell phone is protected just like that. As you can see, the volume buttons work without a problem, and so do the on-off button. This cell phone case is really pretty. I like it, and I think you will too. That's my point of view.